Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to find the inverse of a square matrix. I'll also be working on finding the determinant of a square matrix, how to find the cofactors, how to find the adjoint of a square matrix, which is how to transpose a square matrix. But before we get started, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Like the video, share the link with your friends, and also please click on the notification bell. Thank you very much for your support. All right, let's get started. This question says, find the inverse of the square matrix A. Now, to solve this problem, first we are going to find the determinant. So this would be A equals to 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 1, 4, 0. So now, the first thing we are going to do after writing this is to pick this value, just place it here, and then put this on hold, and also put this on hold. Then use 1 to multiply 0 minus 6 times 4. Okay, so 1 times 0 is 0. So let's just put this in parentheses. 1 times 0 is 0 minus 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 24. Good, so we are done with this. So we can get rid of this. Next, just write minus here. Next is to pick this 3 over here and place it here. Then keep the whole of this on hold. And the whole of this on hold. Now, use this 4 to multiply 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. So just open a parenthesis. That gives you 0. Minus this 6, use it to multiply this 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. Close the parenthesis. So the next part will be positive. Now let's get rid of all this. So this is 5. I'll put it here. Place the 5 here. Then now put the whole of this on hold. Put the whole of this on hold. Then use this 4 to multiply this 4. So 4 times 4, 16. Just open a parenthesis. Write down 16 minus. Next, use this 1 to multiply this 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So just write it here and then close the parenthesis. So you can get rid of this. So the element, please take note, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. That is why you have positive 2 here. This is negative 3. This is positive 5. Okay, so please take note of that. So let's just remove the signs. Okay, So now we are going to distribute this 2 into the parentheses. So 0 minus 24 is negative 24. So this would be 2 times negative 24, and then minus 3, negative 6, plus 5. 16 minus 1 is 15. So now 2 times negative 24 is negative 48. And negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. And 5 times 15 is 75. So let's just add up this. So negative 48 plus 18, negative 48 plus 18 plus 75, and that gives us 45. So the determinant, A is equals to 45. I hope this makes some sense. All right. Next, we are going to find the cofactors of the square matrix A. That is the second step. Take note, the first step is to find the determinant. The second step is to find the cofactors of each element in the square matrix A. All right, let's go ahead and do that now. All right, to find the cofactor of the square matrix A, first we need to create the matrix of the cofactor, and we can simply write that as C equals to, now the location of this element 2 can be written as A in row 1, element 1, and the location of 3 as A row 1, element 2, 5, A row 1, element 3, 4, A row 2, element 1, 1, A row 2, element 2, 6, A row 2, element 3, 1, A row 3, element 1, 4, A row 3, element 2, and then 0, A row 3, element 3. So now this is the matrix of the cofactors. So at this point we need to find the value of each element in the cofactor, and we can start with this. And just before we get started, please note that for each element, this would be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive. So for A row 1, element 1, that is positive, and then just open a parenthesis. So let's clean up this. So now we can identify this location and put the whole of this on hold. So now use this one to multiply this 0, and that will give you 0. So write it here, minus, and then 6 times 4 is 24. So write it here. So this would be equals to 0 minus 24 is negative 24. So this will give us negative 24. So that is the cofactor of the element 2. All right, so now let's go to the next one. This. So a 1, 2, and this will be equals to. Please note this is positive, this is negative. So write negative here, parentheses. So you can clean up this. So now this location, you can put the whole of this on hold. Put this on hold, and then use this 4 to multiply 0. So 4 times 0 is 0. And also use this 6 to multiply this 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. So minus 6. So this will be equals to negative. And 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So negative times negative 6 would give us positive 6. So this will become positive 6. And I hope that makes some sense. All right. So let's. So that is the cofactor of the element 3. So now let's go to the third one. Third element in row 1. So A 1, 3. So this will be equals to, take note, the first, this is positive, negative, positive. So write positive here and then parentheses. Good. So clean up this. So now stay on the location and then put this on hold. Put this on hold. So now you can use this 4 to multiply this 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So write it here. 16 minus, and then 1 times 1 is 1. So put it here. So 16 minus 1 would give us 15. So here we have 15 as the cofactor of the element 5. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Second row, A 2, 1. So this is positive, negative, positive, negative. So write negative here and parentheses. So stay on the location. Good. So put this on hold, put this on hold, and this also. So now use this 3 to multiply 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. Minus, use this 5 to multiply 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So this will become 20. So now we can, so this would be negative. 0 minus 20 is negative 20. And this will be equals to negative times negative 20 is positive 20. So this is positive 20. Okay, so I hope that makes some sense. So now we can just clean up the whole of this and go to the next. A in row 2, element 2. So this will be equals to, this is positive, negative, positive, negative. This is positive, positive, parentheses. So you can clean up this and come back to the location. So on hold, put this on hold. So now we can use these two to multiply 0, and that would give us 0. So this is 0 minus 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So this will give us 5, and 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So negative 5. So this is the cofactor of the element 1. So now we can move on to the next one. A 2, 3. So this will be equals to, now this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So this is negative, parenthesis. So now we can put this on hold. The whole of this, put them on hold. Then use these two to multiply this 4. That would give us 8. So we have 8. And also use this 3 to multiply this. So 3 times 1 is 3. So minus 3. So this will be equals to negative 8 minus 3 is 5. And negative times positive 5 is negative 5. So that is it for this element. So the cofactor of the element 6 is negative 5. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Third row, element 1. This will be equals to, so positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So this will be positive, parenthesis. So now we can clean up this. And this one, you can just put the whole of this on hold. Then use this 3 to multiply 6. That will give us 18 minus 5 times 1 is 5. So this will be equals to 13. Good. So next, so let's just clean up this. So we have a third row, elements 2. This will be equals to, note this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So write the negative sign here, parenthesis, and this is the location. So you can put this on hold, and then 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12 minus 5 times 4 is 20. So this will be equals to negative 12 minus 20 is negative 8. Negative times negative 8 will give us positive 8. So that is the cofactor of the element 4. All right. So next is this. So a third element, third row, element 3. So this will be equals to, remember, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So this is positive, parenthesis. So now put this on hold, and 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 times 4 is 12. So this would give us 2 minus 12 is negative 10. Good. So now we have found the value of each element in the cofactor. So this will be equals to, all we have to do now is to plug in the values. So the first one is negative 24. So we have negative 24. The second is 6. So this is 6. The third is 15. This is 15. And this is 20. This is negative 5. This is negative 5. This is 13. This is 8. And this is negative 10. So we can simply put the parentheses. Good. So this is the cofactors of the square matrix A, the cofactors. All right. So now we are going to find the adjoint of the square matrix A, and to do that we are going to transpose the cofactors. So to find the adjoint, we are going to transpose. So to transpose, we can write that as another matrix, CT, and CT is now equals to, so let's transpose. Now this is a column, so we are going to write it as a row. So let's write it as a row. So this will become negative 24, 20, and 13. And then the second column, we'll write that as a row. So this is 6, negative 5, and 8. And then the last column, we can write that as a row also. So this would be 15, negative 5, negative 10. So this is the adjoint of the square matrix A. So we have successfully transposed the cofactor, and that gave us the adjoint. So we can simply write this as the adjoint of the square matrix A, adjoint of the square matrix A, and this is equals to negative 24, 20, 13, 6, negative 5, 8, 15, negative 5, negative 10. Good. So at this point, we can now write the inverse of the square matrix A. The inverse of the square matrix A, which can be written as A exponent negative 1. So this will be equals to negative 24 divided by the determinant, which is 45. We found the determinant at the beginning. So negative 24 over 45, and then next 20 over 45, and then 13 over 45, and then also we have 6 over 45. We have negative 5 over 45. We have 8 over 45. We have 15 over 45. We have negative 5 over 45 and negative 10 over 45. So you can just put this in parentheses, and then finally this will be equals to, we can factor the 45 out, so this will become um, let's write it like this. So the inverse is now equals to 1 over 45 negative 24, 20, 13, 6, negative 5, 8, 15, negative 5, and negative 10. All right, so let's just cross-check what we have done. Yes, we need to put this adjoint in parentheses. Good. So, all right, so this is the inverse of the square matrix A, and this is how to find the inverse of the square matrix. So, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the link with your friends, and also please click on the notification bell. Thank you very much for your support. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.